YouTube, way to do it. It's your boy Trey 2-Time, and I'm back again with another video for y'all today, man. Hey, as y'all can see, I'm trying out a new camera angle. If you like the new angle, man, let your boy know in the comments. If you want me to go back to the old way, also let me know in the comments. But for today's beat, man, I'm feeling trap, man. I ain't gave y'all a trap beat in a minute, so we're gonna cook up something today straight from scratch. I ain't really got nobody in mind. We're gonna see what we come up with for that. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to your boy, man. Hit the notification bell so you stay updated when I drop any new beat videos, any new beat content. Hit the like button for your boy, because you know I need that like. We're on the road to beat 1K, man, so subscription, man. I really appreciate that from y'all. But anyway, that's enough talking, man. Let's get straight into the beat. I can't really do my normal thing like I normally do, but let's just get straight into the video, man. I'll cry it some type of way. All right, y'all, man, we got a fresh new FL Studio project pulled up, man. For the tempo, we're gonna go about 128, man. I don't know, we'll just see what we come up with. Hey, let's go ahead and find us some sounds, though. All right, y'all, for our first sound, man, we got the Banana Sandwiches Touch Funk. I'm just sure got some names for their sounds, but I swear to God. But it's one of the synth poly presets, sound like this. Let's go ahead and try to lay something down, man. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm gonna keep it straight like that. It's already hard for real. I am probably gonna quantize it a little bit. Command Q, yeah. And let's go ahead and maybe stretch these out just a little bit. Put it on none. Stretch these out just a little bit, because I do want to kind of pick it up a little bit as it go into the next one. So let's put it back online and let's just copy everything over. I know it's pretty much straight for the most. All right, cool. Yep, that's it. Let's go ahead and send that straight to the mixer, y'all. Now, as y'all can hear, it's already way too loud, so we're gonna turn it down. I always like to look over here at my meter and y'all try to keep it somewhere between 0. But let's start out with an EQ. I actually think that's pretty cool. Bring that one down just a little bit. All right, that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and go in with a little compression. I'm gonna use the fruity compressor on this. It already sounds pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. I may do like I don't know, maybe y'all a little chorus, maybe. Let's see. Oh yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that might be it, y'all. All right, y'all. I think I'm gonna actually try a little Portal on it, y'all. I ain't used Portal in a minute. But let's see what we can do. I may go to one of these little presets that I got at these Trails or Trials, however you want to pronounce it, pack. I paid for it somewhere. I can't remember where I got it from. Let's see what we got. Y'all hear that's kind of adding like some extra rhythm into it, man. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with that, honestly. And probably add like a little amount of reverb to it, y'all. Let's go ahead straight in with the, let's do the now. Turn the mix down a little bit. Let's go back in on the compressor, actually turn it up some. Let's go up a little bit on the knob too. I think, hey, that might be it. That might be it, y'all. Let's go ahead and find us another sound to pair with that. All right, y'all, for our next sound, we got the classic rolling synth brass out of Omnisphere. Sound like that. I gotta get used to looking at this camera being up here, but yeah, let's go ahead and try to lay something down with that. Hey, oh my God, we actually getting somewhat kind of crazy with that, y'all. I think I actually might want to use the same velocity. I think that's it. Let's go ahead and send it to the mixer, y'all. I don't want it too prominent in the beat. Let's go in with a little, I think I'm gonna try a little phaser. Let me put some more compression on that first. Let me do Fruity Compressor. I just think right there is perfect. I'm gonna do a little delay on that, y'all. Fruity delay. Hey. Let's find us another sound. All right, y'all. So for our next sound, man, we got the Prince Combo Comp Bright. And what I did was for helpful tip for y'all, man, when y'all using Omnisphere, we got the classic Rolling Synth Brass. What y'all can do is y'all can click that. Y'all can click Sound Match up here, y'all. That actually help y'all find some sounds that sound just like it. So the Prince Combo Comp, whatever the sound was I just had, there it is. Sound like that. So we're gonna go ahead and lay something down with it. That's all I really want, y'all. And I'm gonna put that on both sides. I'm turn that G sharp down a lot. Actually, let's go ahead and turn most of that down, not gonna lie. That's how I want it, just like that. Let's go ahead and send it to the mixer. Yeah, I think I want it just like that, for real. Yep, straight like that. And then let's probably do the same ping pong effect on that too. I actually think that's pretty cool. That's actually cool. Maybe find us maybe one more sound, and I think the sample done, y'all. This might be a 4 sound, maybe 5 sound beat. So let's just see. All right, y'all. We're gonna keep it real simple with this Supremacy Swells out of Omnisphere. Kind of giving a nice little swell effect on it. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do with it, man. I'm gonna keep this so simple. It's just gonna be one of them little accent embellishment sounds. So let's go ahead and lay it down. That's literally it, y'all. That's literally it. I told y'all, man, we're gonna keep that super simple, man. Straight like that, man. We ain't gonna do nothing too crazy. Let's just put them all on the same velocity. Bring them down about like right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the little low pass on that one, y'all. I really didn't want that one being too digitally sounding, if that's even a word or a phrase. But anyway. That's it, man. That's the only thing I really want for that one. Let's maybe find us 1 or 2 more sounds. I know I said maybe 4 or 5, maybe 6 or 7. I don't know, man. Depending on how I feel. All right, y'all. So I'm finna add kind of like an accent sound, man. I'm gonna use this Sound 1, kind of sound like a old school arcade sound or something like that out of the Empire drum kit. I got off somebody's YouTube channel. I can't tell you who exactly made it, but I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna actually do with this. So I'm gonna actually go into it. I'm gonna go to the knobs up here, the envelope knobs. Basically put all that down, decay down, sustain down, and release down. That way the notes will be exactly as long as I want them to be when I put them on the piano roll, okay? So what I'm gonna do is somewhere around this end part, let's go back down to C5. So right here, somewhere after this 4 bar, we actually going, let's go ahead and actually turn it up a lot so we can hear it better. I might have to go ahead and send it to the mixer so I can hear it louder. Let's put an EQ on it first. Let's go ahead and turn it up. All right, I think we can hear it now pretty good. Now let's go back into the piano roll. Put it on C5. And what I actually want to do is, let's put it on none. That's what I wanted, kind of like a triplet type feel, triplet. Yeah. Cause actually, if you actually look down here at the wave down here, it actually kind of has that tail where it's gonna kind of repeat with a delay, but I really don't want that. So I wanted to play with the same velocity, but with that triplet feel, more on time and in sync. Y'all hear that? So I may actually kind of go down on velocity a little bit on these last two. Yep, that's exactly what I want. Hey, we get somewhere now for real. Let's do a little reverb on it. I'm actually gonna put a compressor on here, but I'm gonna turn it up even more. Yeah, that's it. I think that's it for the sounds, y'all. We may add something else through the arrangement, or maybe as I add the drums, but let's just see what we come up with out of that. But let's get straight into these drums, y'all. Let's do it. Y'all know what time it is. All right, y'all. So for some of my drum sounds today, man, we're gonna use the Trey 2-time Iceland drum kit. Maybe not every song gonna come out of here, but I'm still working on this drum kit, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. I got one hi-hat, the ice. So we're gonna use that. Let's go ahead and put that on a basic 2-step pattern. And for our snares, we're gonna as you can see, all of my snares sound really good. But I don't know what you want to use. Stinger. I'm gonna go with the Stinger. And for the 808, I got one open hi-hat too, y'all, to go to. And for my 808, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I might actually go into Dirk's drum kit. Shout out to you, Dirk, for these drums as always. He got one 808 that I really like. Was it out of this one? Might have been actually the Heaven Sent. His Heaven Sent. It's the Holy Water. Yeah, we're gonna use the Holy Water. Shout out to you, Dirky. And let's go ahead and play around with the snare a little bit. I'm actually feeling that, y'all. I really want to have a different type bounce. All right, let's go ahead and go with the open hi-hat. Let's see what we can do with that. Yeah, y'all see how it's going already. Play around with the hi-hats a little bit, y'all. Stretch this one out. Hit Option U on the chopper. Okay, yeah, we get somewhere. Let's bring one down right here. Option U on that too. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Keeping it pretty simple with the hi-hats today. That got a really good bounce though already. Let's go ahead and just copy all that over. Same thing. Yeah, man, y'all know what time it is. 808 time, baby. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay. Oh, yeah. It's several different ways we can go with this 808, y'all, but we just finna see. Let's do an octave right here. And let's just copy everything over. We may, I do want to kind of freak it a little bit, y'all, add some different notes to it. All right, y'all, my camera had overheated, but I think we good now. Let's get back to it. Yeah, the second part I wanted to be a little different. I might actually do some perks, y'all. Let me see. Durkee, we coming back to your drum kit. Yeah, let's add that in there. I might add another open I had in here, y'all. Let me go to Durkee's. Yeah, right there. Actually, that pocket right up in here, That's it. That's it. Hey, this, oh my God. I think that's pretty much the bounce, y'all. So I'm gonna arrange it, man. Mix it up a little better for y'all, man. And I'll play the whole beat for y'all in just a second. All right, y'all, man, I'm back. I got the beat mixed up and arranged real good for y'all. For the intro, I added a little automation in there, gave it an underwater effect. So when the hook come in, man, that transition to hit hard when it come in. For the verse, the second half of the verse, I switched up the 808 pattern a little bit so it don't stay too repetitive, just to give it a little different type bounce, a different type rhythm to it. Added some automation to the bridge part as well. And also in the verse, I took one of those synths down an octave and brought it back up an octave when the hook come in, just to add a little different emphasis to it, man. So y'all just check that out, man. Here go the whole beat. Y'all.
Two times, don't do them too bad.
Hey. Another one. Hey, and there y'all have it, man. That's the beat. Let me know y'all hearing this beat in the comment section below, man. Like I said, I ain't had nobody in mind when I made this beat. Just wanted to cook something up straight from scratch for y'all today, man. Give y'all another trap beat. If you made it this far to the end of the video, man, I appreciate the love and support so far, man. Hey, go ahead and subscribe to your boy if you're new to the channel. We're on the road to the big 1K. Big 1K on the way. I appreciate everybody that subscribed so far. Hit the notification bell so you stay updated when I drop any new beat videos, any new beat content, and hit the like button for your boy because you know I need that like. Anyway, man, that's enough talking, man. I'll see y'all next time. It's your boy 2 Time. I'll holler at y'all.